Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to write the letter R. There are really a lot of varieties of the letter R and can really brighten up your lettering, so keep your attention here. So the most popular one, I guess, is something like this. That's the most kind of basic. You can have it a little bit higher even. That's the most popular one. And here are the ones from cursive, the really fun ones. So you start from the bottom, go up top, and connect it like this. Let's just make everything straight as we've had before. So you can connect it here in like 2/3. You can connect it with a loop here and then go down, make a straight corner here. But that one actually looks better, but you can also use this one if you want. And you can actually go pretty crazy with this loop and make it something like this, or it's rounder like this. It will look nice in the lettering. Probably by itself it looks pretty strange, but believe me. Okay, we don't have a lot of space here, so also we can have it like this with a curved line here and just a bar up top and going down, or curve here, and then a little bit to the left. Yeah, you can have it straight, but sometimes it looks a bit weird, so I recommend to keep it to the left a little bit. Okay, curve it to the left. You can have the first connector line straight and then go in something like this, or you can go above the line like this, or even some crazy variants. This will also work, something like this. For example, this is a connection here, and we can start the R even here. It will look awesome. You can have this bar straight or a little bit curved inside. This will also look cool, and you can connect it in a different way. For example, don't make a real smooth curve here, but you can have a corner here and here. So there are a lot of varieties of this. Let's try it with a brush pen now. Okay, the most basic one is pretty simple, going up, down, and here. And from here you can actually connect it to the other letters. Sometimes it can look very nice. Okay, then one of my favorite ones, this. Pretty simple to do if you learned how, and always looks great. A bit different corner here, and let's try something like this. You can also use this one, and now for this, and one that is really straight. Also, you can make it like this, and something like this. Yes, inside your line height. This is more of a sign painter style. What else do we have? We can have it pretty much wild. Can start in here go here, or just above everything, or you can disconnect it here, something like this. So you see, there are really a lot of variants in this. And I actually forgot about the one I also really like. That's when you make a little loop here and go down. Yes, one of my favorites. Super neat. Not a big one, but a really small one. Let's try it in words now. We will start with the word rich. We will see how we get this one. Okay, let's make this one really bold. So you see I'm curving it a little bit to the left, even though it will be straight font. And an H. And also curve this one a little bit inside. And also let's have something like this going here. Shining diamond. Yes, that looks really rich. Now we will try the word trust. We will use different style. And the letter R. This one. And can connect it using the upper side. Are you? Yes. And a T. Okay, something like this, and you see why I don't really like it, but you can use it. That's because a lot of white space in here. Probably if it's a word where you can fill it in with something, for example the S, you could go something like this. Or I don't know, something else. You can also, or a really bold font, or make it a little bit narrower or something like that. It will work nicer. But in here I would prefer something like this actually. Let's write the word American, and we will use another pen for this, because I have lots of pens that I don't know where to use. Okay, let's try this one. You can start here. A, M, E, and go here and here and here. Yes. weight up top. Yeah, that looks awesome. And now let's try the word more, but with kind of this style. Starting with an M. Oh, let's make it the low connection, and here's the font start. Yes. So that's how you can write the letter R. I think you can invent some more if you try.